Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Mike. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. Let's take a look. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We do a lot of how-tos, tutorials and videos just like this one. So creating an email from Gmail is actually a very straightforward process. And the process is pretty much the same if you go to Yahoo or AOL. Most of the free accounts are going to be in a very similar fashion. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up any type of preferred browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, Firefox, etc., and go on over to gmail.com. It'll take you to this page right here. This is Get More Done with Gmail. At below here, you need to click on the blue button that says Create an Account, and this is going to take you to create your Google account page. Now from here what we need to do is just go through this information that they require, and type it in. So I'm going to go ahead and create a test emails for a new account John Smith. And then I'm typing John Smith Tech Hack, and now you'll notice that as you type in your email address, you may get a little message saying, this one is taken. Gmail has been around for quite some time. So you might run into that quite a bit. Just keep trying until you find one that you like, that is available, and then go ahead and proceed with the information. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with that. Now, I want you to do a password. It needs to be at least 8 characters long, and it should include an uppercase, a number, a special character like a % or a money sign just to make it a little bit more secure. People are creatures of habit, and they usually like to have one password for everything. That is a very bad idea when it comes to security. So I would highly recommend making a custom or unique password for your email account. And then, of course, that trickles down to other accounts as well. So I'm going to type this again and proceed to the next step. Oops, these passwords don't match. So if you get these passwords don't match, just go through it slowly, one more time, and just make sure that it's filled out the way that you want it. And click on the next step. And then the mobile phone number. Google does require some kind of phone number to verify your account. This is probably one of the most important pieces of information when it comes to creating an email account. Really is your mobile phone. A lot of providers have gone over to a mobile phone basis, to where if you lock yourself out, or you have forgotten your password, they can use your phone, send you a text message, with a verification code. And you can use that to reset the password. So I will go ahead and put my phone number in there. Just so we can get through the process of this. They'll send you a text message, with a verification code with 6 digits. You can insert it here, or you can also try call instead. So, if you try the voice call, they're going to ring your phone. You can say hello on it or not. Because most the time it will be an automated call, and they'll provide you with a 6-digit code. So they'll read it to you once, and they'll read it to you a second time just to make sure you've got it. Once you've got the 6 digits, and you're confident with it, go ahead and click on type that in and then hit verify. And then the recovery email. If you have that, and you know it, and it's active, you can put that in as a secondary recovery option. It's optional. But I would highly recommend putting in a mobile phone number, forward for a primary option in this case. I'm going to go ahead. Then they want your birthday down here, so we're going to go and want to put that in there. You do have the option to choose what kind of gender you are. You also have the option to rather not say, so you can go ahead and just pick one of those accordingly. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. And click on the next step. You'll come up with this, get more from your number. You can choose, yes I'm in if you want. I'm going to hit skip. Now you'll come up with a privacy and terms. Just go ahead, and you can read that if you'd like to, but you can also scroll down to the bottom and click I agree. And then it's going to take you to your inbox. At the start of it, so it'll say welcome, and click on next. You'll receive a few more pop-ups. Just go ahead and exit out of those or click through those. We can exit out of that. And this is basically the home of your inbox, your Gmail. I prefer Gmail just because A is a very simplistic form when it comes to the inbox, and they have a perfect spam filter set up that can help go through and decide what's spam and whatnot. Hey guys, thanks for watching that tech tip. Hope you learned how to create a Gmail today. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you hated it, thumbs down. Leave any kind of comments or feedback in the comment section below. And also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. We'll see you next time.